Hey guys, Alicia here. This video is going to be about what to do when you have too many ideas or you're interested in more than one niche on Etsy. So I want to thank the sponsor of this video, Karen with GetNice Etsy shop, for sponsoring this video. And I'm going to show you exactly why, because she is a prime example of how she was interested in more than one niche and what she did. So I am in her main Etsy shop, which is GetNice shop, and I will leave a link to this in the description below the video. So be sure to visit her shop. Her shop is targeted toward brand and marketing designs for Etsy shops. So if you are an Etsy seller or you're thinking about becoming an Etsy seller, you might need some of her items to get going in your shop. So she put a lot of time into researching SEO recently, and her sales started to take off. So she has currently 87 sales. Even though she's been open for a long time, it wasn't until as of recent, not long ago, that she did a lot of research on SEO and also branding and marketing that allowed her shop to grow. So I'm just going to kind of go here. This is her shop. I love her cover photo. It shows exactly, it makes a huge statement on what her shop is about. So if I scroll down here, she has things over here in tabs, well organized. Anything that you would need for your Etsy shop to get going. She has Etsy shop banners, shop thank you cards. She has planners and books. These would help you get organized with your shop. And she also has pre-made logos. So I'll just go and kind of pull one of these items up. I'll do the colorful thank you card. So this is going to be a thank you card that you can purchase, and it's an instant download, and just thank you for your purchase, leave us a review on Etsy and get 30% off your next order, and shop name. So on this particular item, she is using a service called Cordial that you can edit anything on here. Cordial is going to be a different video, but you can edit anything on here and make it your own simply by using it. So you get all of these to send on the thank you notes or the thank you cards. So that's just a great idea. It's also a great way to get feedback on your Etsy shop. So I would like to go ahead and pull up another item here. It looks like she has some planners, social media strategy, marketing, sales, small business goal. So if you are thinking about starting a business on Etsy, this is a great item to download. She has this in her shop right now for only $5.17. So this is something that you can get, and it's basically writing your business plan in a planner. So right now she has showing everything on that it includes, and then it has goal setting, and she has a calendar here to help you get organized with starting your business. So this is just a great item. It is an instant download PDF file. And let's see if this one is editable. This one is a PDF file. So I don't think this one is editable. This is something that you print out and you actually just write in. So that is an awesome idea and something that I need for myself. So another item I wanted to pull up that she does is the Etsy shop banner, and it looks like right here she has and I love this. It's the Leathercraft Etsy shop cover photo, and she also has the shop icon. So it looks like these are editable, and yeah, these are all editable. Etsy store banner design, leather look, cover header, editable download, business brand and heading, Etsy shop kit, Etsy shop graphics, the store icon, and banner template. So it comes with everything, and you can also use Cordial to edit this. Now, that is a service that she pays for, and then you can download this item. She has other cover photo items to choose from in her shop, but I mean, these are great prices. So this is $8.61, and you get all of these. And so she even did an example here of what it would look like when you put it on your, Etsy shop. And another. And then it's try our demo with Cordial, and that is definitely going to be another video I'm going to do. So great job here, and once again, it's just a great niche to get in. So she is basically helping Etsy sellers with all of their needs. She also makes pre-made logos. So I'm going to pull this one up right here. And she calls this one the pre-made circle, star, dust, and glitter calligraphy logo design. It's a glittery logo type thing. So if you wanted this to be like your logo, you could purchase this. And then this is also something that all you would have to do is go to Cordial, and you could edit the name and put the name of your Etsy shop or the name of your business here and what it is. So right here, she put Silver Cells handcrafted accessories. So her focus is really on helping Etsy handmade sellers. But really, in all honesty, as I'm looking through this, this would be good for anyone starting an Etsy shop. She has everything you need to organize your Etsy shop. So back to when I said, what to do when you have too many ideas and you have too many niches that you're interested in. You open up another Etsy shop, and you would not believe the questions I get on if that's allowed. Yes, it is allowed. All you have to do is use a different email address, and you open up another shop. And that's just what she did. So she also has another Etsy shop, and I'm going to leave a link to this also in the description below this video. It's called Jestivities. Now, she has just recently opened up this shop, and she's already had 17 sales due to her recent research on SEO and marketing. So she doesn't have very many items in here yet because she's still working on this. So this is a different niche, which is party printables, things like that. It's going to be SVGs, all things that have to do with parties. So Jestivities is basically for party games, party decorations, SVGs for party clothes, and things like that. She is going to be adding some more items to that. She has just opened this not too long ago. So I think that is awesome. If you are really interested in, having more than one niche you can open up another Etsy shop. So that's how you do that. So she has one with Jestivities, and then her main shop is GetNice. So Karen also took it a step further, and she also has a blog, and this blog leads to her Instagram. So I'm going to leave a link to this in the description below the video. And this is her blog, and it starts out, learn the secrets of top-selling Etsy shops. Join us and discover the 6 pillars for success on online stores. She's got a place where you can sign up for her newsletter. And she's got on here, doing your research, design, and planning. And then also your marketing, SEO, and the customer experience. So if you scroll all the way down, if I do this is just going to take me back to her shop, visit the shop. If you scroll down here, you can also find her on Instagram. So make sure that you scroll all the way down and you can find her on Instagram and also Facebook. I'm trying to think because I looked at this earlier from my mobile device and I saw the Instagram logo down here at the bottom. So be sure to check out her Instagram, and I will also leave a link to that in the description below. She also has an Instagram account where you can follow her and keep up with what she's doing. She puts a little bit of personal things on here, which I always say is a great idea, to be personable. And then everything, she gives all sorts of tips on how to be successful. Right here, the 3 things all successful handmade sellers have in common. And like I said, if you are wanting to open an Etsy shop, or you already have an Etsy shop and you want that extra spark, be sure to visit Karen and her GetNice. Be sure to visit her blog and also her Instagram and her Etsy shops. So I will leave links to those in the description below the video. So that pretty much sums up the video. If you want to start a second Etsy shop, that's what you do. You can have 2 entirely different niches. There are some people who want to make handmade items and sell them, and then they want to sell digital products, and then they will open a second Etsy shop and sell digital products. So I know at one time I had 3 Etsy shops with different niches. I had one for handmade products, I had one for print on demand, and I had one for digital products. I closed all of those well over a year ago in order to take my business in a different direction, do some research on Etsy, lots of research on Etsy, and design, and also teaching people how to make money online. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to visit Karen's shop on Etsy. It will be linked below. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on any future videos about making money online. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.